售服務。既然大日本中嘅旅程，附帶我哋由三環搭我嘅聖誕美高點頂，程式以地攤為推展。山頂纜車沿途有4個推送站，其中一號、7號、8號、9號都係現有地分道地總區嘅地點。大家到站，交通明顯大家到站。
Both recording, so redundant.
多謝乘搭山頂纜車，希望喺不久嘅將來喺呢度再次歡迎你哋。現在生產新出來嘅交通標誌山頂纜車，山頂纜車在1888年開始投入運營。
Oh, these are where people walk up.
Yeah. What? You mean the stairs? Holy shit, I'm not coordinated enough to do this.
Man, that's insane if she actually walked up this hill.
It's insane if she ran up this hill. We were talking about walking up this, weren't we?
Yeah, well, I think Andrew ran up this thing.
Maybe Andrew's a liar.
I think this records sound.
Yes, it does. So we can't play this backwards. Oh my god, look at that dude up there.
What?
Look. It's gonna be in trouble when we get there. I feel like at any moment I'm just gonna go flying down this car. I lost my good word flag. How many people would I take out with me? 15? Oh, hello!
Here's the comments.
Yeah, I know, me too. Wow, look at all these plants. This is amazing. Oh god, what am I supposed to be holding on to? I'm just like gripping this pole with my legs right now. Your leg is what?
Unauthorized monitoring.
I keep trying not to swear because I have to show this to people.